Here's your Storm Tracker weather forecast with Chief Forecaster Bob McGuire.
Oh yeah, here we are midweek and we're getting closer to the weekend all the time. We're going to start off tonight with a cool looking picture from Greg Wise. I like this one. You get a few cumulus clouds off in the distance. He says, boy, they are a photographer's best friend, the cumulus clouds, because they show a lot of distance, show a little depth. It's just kind of a cool shot. And you see over here, we're at Hart Mountain. Nice looking day over there in northern Wyoming. I like that one as well. Meanwhile, check this out. Sandy Darrow was over in Makoshika State Park over by Glendive. And he said, boy, look at this. The wildflowers are really starting to bloom very much out there. And that's kind of nice to see that as well. Here's the way things are shaping up in Billings right now. And the only thing blooming here is the temperature. It's blooming up to 63 degrees with partly cloudy skies. The wind is calm right now. That's kind of nice. Our high temp today topped out at 75. That's normal for this time of year. The record was 96 back in 1988, and the record low was 38 back in 1995. And when it comes to precipitation, nothing new to add to the total today. But, you know, since we've had a lot of rain this weekend, we're still ahead of normal for the month, but we're still a little bit behind normal for the year. At 504, we need to be at 665 to be caught up to average. So our year-to-date totals, we're just a little off right now, but don't worry, we still got plenty of year to catch up. In the meantime, check out our current temperatures into the 50s and 60s out in the west. A lot of 50s and 60s back here in eastern Montana, but no 70s tonight. In the 70s, well, that was earlier in the day. A lot of places east of the divide had a lot of 70s. Just a few places like Lewistown, Butte, and Kalispell only got into the 60s for high temps there today. Everyone else enjoyed some nice 70s. Our thunderstorm outlook for tomorrow shows we could see a stray thunderstorm or two start around west central Montana, around Missoula. That stuff could spread as far east as just around the Billings area, but we're talking just spotty showers and thunderstorms, not the big stuff. And I think the way this is going to play out, this stuff may actually come out of the southwest and kind of arch around and go around the Billings area. We'll see if that really does happen. In the meantime, here's what's happening. Doppler radar and satellite imagery shows we still have kind of a northwesterly flow. Caught up in that flow, some spotty showers over the Beartooths. And outside of that, nothing much really going on here with just partly cloudy skies. It's all part of a larger upper level trough that's starting to push its way into the Great Lakes states and into the Midwest, and that's where the cooler air is going, is being drawn into that strong low pressure cell. That was what was left of that tropical depression, Cristobal. Meanwhile, we're looking at warm temperatures out here. That's going to slowly but surely start working its way back up into our area in the next couple of days or so. So let's go to the surface and show you what's happening. It's high pressure moving in right here, right now, and it continues to stick around throughout much of tonight and again tomorrow. You'll see partly cloudy skies out in the west, but generally mostly sunny skies on Thursday in the Billings area. By Friday, your next system starts moving into the region, sending a few cloudy skies our way, probably late in the day. And then this next system here, that's the one that's going to move in probably Saturday night and bring us some cooler temperatures and maybe a chance for some more rain showers. In the meantime, temperatures tonight will be cooling back down to the 30s and 40s out in the west with partly cloudy skies there. Across the high line into the 40s and 50s back here in south central Montana, generally clear skies, and temps rolling back into the 40s for overnight lows. Tomorrow, we're back to the 80s, maybe some 70s over at Red Lodge and West Yellowstone, but mostly sunny skies should rule. We'll be about 83 in Billings, 85 at Hardin. Then tomorrow, elsewhere, you'll see temps into the 70s and 80s in the far west, and across the high line also into the 80s. But for Billings tonight, mostly clear skies, 49 for the overnight low, and a west wind at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. And here's your 7-day forecast. Next 2 days, mostly sunny skies, 83 on Thursday, 92 on Friday, 93 on Saturday, but we have a chance of rain moving in late in the day. It's about a 20% chance for showers. Then Sunday, the cooler air moves in, 30% chance for afternoon showers. Same thing on Monday, into the 70s for highs. Tuesday and Wednesday, back up to 82 degrees both days with about a 20% chance for some late in the day splash and dash showers. And that's the way things are shaping up. Let's go back to Russ.